Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn laptop repairing online. First, familiarize yourself with laptop hardware and software. You'll need to understand how each component works and how to use the software. Next, research common laptop issues and how to troubleshoot them. Many online resources offer step-by-step guidance to build your confidence. To begin, study laptop architecture, focusing on components like motherboards and CPUs. Online courses, video tutorials, and repair manuals are excellent resources for structured learning. Joining tech forums and communities can provide valuable support and insights. Remember to invest in a basic toolkit, including precision screwdrivers and anti-static equipment, for safe and effective repairs. Once you have the foundational knowledge, focus on practical skills. Master the procedures for disassembling and reassembling laptops carefully. Learn to diagnose common problems like power issues, screen malfunctions, and internet connectivity faults. Practice replacing components such as RAM or hard drives. Additionally, understand how to install software and update drivers to resolve many common issues. To further your skills, explore advanced diagnostics, including how to use a digital multimeter for testing circuits. Stay updated with new laptop technologies and evolving repair methods through continuous learning. Consider pursuing certifications for professional development, which can enhance your credibility. Most importantly, practice regularly on old or non-working laptops to refine your repair techniques and build expertise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.